I'm at a car show. What about you? You like it? Oh, look at this one, Mom. I like this one. Mom, look at this. This yours? Wish it was. Wow. They put some money into these cars. I just saw a Ferrari, a California one, driving by. Oh, there's your Pontiac. Is this the one that you want, Mom? Oh, I would take this one any day. Look at this one. Look at Mom. Mom, look at this. Look at that. He got a custom engine in it. What? New headers, everything. The custom engine block. It's all blue.
Is that what you did in Nana's engine?
No.
You did it?
Whoa! Oh, he got the racing. He got the racing tank in it and everything.
Yeah, he's spray painted.
He has it racing.
Everything.
The actual Dodge color. The orange Hemi.
Oh, look at this thing.
Oh, this one's nice. The V8.
Look at that duck.
The V8. Dude, this thing must rumble, Mom. This thing must rumble. Look how many bolts are holding the engine in. Look at that. He has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. He has over 20 bolts holding in one header. Unnecessary. Oh, he has this thing turboed. He got the mini turbos.
Oh yeah, just a couple announcements here for all you visitors just scrolling through the grounds here. If there's a favorite car that you like, there's a number on the windshield. You can come up and you can vote for the People's Choice Awards. It's the People's Choice Awards. If there's a favorite car, take that number. Come on up here to the registration table. Write it on the yellow, on the pink cards here. And then at the end of the day, we'll tally them all up. Just a quick reminder here, the Lions Club is having a raffle down the street.
This will be my car right
raffle.
here. I'll be racing down the roads
goes to the
and
Lions
stuff.
Club, 50% goes to the winner on the raffle.
Oh yeah,
so.
they take care of this.
Also another announcement here, the 13th annual Top of Iowa Car Show is going to be taking place July 24th. They have the top 60 shows, awards for the top 60 cars, no classes. They have a variety of events going on that day.
Custom metal tubing, everything. That's amazing. That's all custom metal tubing.
That's July 24th in Joyce, Iowa. Also, it's a beautiful day here. There's a lot of stuff going on in town. Make sure you stop by and see all the events and stuff like that.
You got the
Stick around for tonight. I believe Troubleshooter is going to be in town here.
Oh,
so
he got it capped off.
Good friends of mine, so stop in and see them. And enjoy while you're in town.
Look at this.
We'll be having another raffle here just in a couple minutes here. Door prizes for the car participants. Remember, vote for the car that you like most.
That's nice. I don't know if they can hear me. Black Magic. This is a Chevy. He kept clean. He kept this clean. Oh wow. This hardtop was installed because that's right there. This wasn't originally a hardtop. Wow. Oh my god, man, look at this. Here's the gas tank back there. Oh wow, the 55 Chevy. Oh, this thing's tall. The hood's taller than me. Oh, that's just all dirty. He just kept the outside of the vehicle clean. Dude, he got that thing straight racing right there. He has like nothing in the hood besides the engine. Look at that. Just straight up racing. Oh, that's racing. That's the roll cage bar right there.
Oh.
So the engine doesn't like get tipped over or nothing. Dude, new headers for that right
They
there.
keep it nice.
Oh yeah. Somebody serious about racing. They take it real. Oh my god, no way. Look the Hot Wheels logo on the seat.
Yeah.
Oh wow, look at this. Oh, I like the intake. How it just stays in the hood. Wow. What this was a kit. They built this car. What the heck? Oh my god. What? Look at how ugly that thing was, but now they turned it into this nice thing. Wow. What? That's outrageous. Oh, now this is a car that they take pretty good care of. Nothing like this one. No. Solid chrome dual intakes. God, no. Ah, the tiny Porsche. The racing Porsche. This one. I don't know what this one is. Oh, he got the old intakes in it still. Surprised they still work. Oh, wait, then the detachable hood. Yeah, custom everything in here. Well, the engine's exactly the same. There's a red car right over here. I wonder what that one is. Oh, it's a Corvette, I think. Or is it a Ferrari? No, that's a Corvette. Still nice that looks.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a big intake. Dude, people go serious with these.
Where's Sergio?
Who knows? Oh, I see him. But dude, I think the most decked out one is that Mustang right there. They put a lot of money into that thing. They got custom engine pieces. Like just this tube right here, let alone, is probably like $1,000. This right there. I mean, that's custom to fit it.
Yeah.
Wait. What? That's a turbo right there. That's a turbo right there. What? That's crazy. He's done on decked that thing out. That thing at least has like 750 horsepower. Which
Where'd you
will
see him?
push that car right there. See, they're right there. Oh, not the guy. I like zoomed in on the guy.
Hello. Well, we've been holding it. It hasn't rained. No, it didn't ring. Here she is.
All right.
Hello.